really do appreciate this.
Oh, no problem.
We'll get my car.
Last thing that pulled that hard was my Firebird. That just has the 6-cylinder in it.
I need that thing. I'll start up in a second and beat it. Who's gonna rotate it? Rotate it. This guy wants it too. The clutch is slipping. Like a little bit. I can feel it, but it's not really that noticeable. I'm gonna put that stage 3 in.
Wow. What made you decide to do this into a Tracer?
Well, it's basically just a 4-door Escort, and I love Escorts. My first car is an Escort. It's an Escort GT, and I just looked for them ever since. And just became an addiction, I guess.
Yeah, I understand that. My first car was a 95 Sentra. Then my second car was a 97 Sentra. I just love Sentras.
Yeah.
I really can understand that.
I mean, my first car was an Escort, and then I just liked them after that, and I wanted to do it with an Escort. Whoa, all right.
What was that?
But, nobody had Escorts.